Hi guys, it's Moz here, and in this box here we have, I think it's one of the biggest mystery bundles Airfix have ever done. It's called the 12 days or the 12 models of Christmas. Yes, I know it's kits. I said models, sorry, in the back of my mind I thought it was 12 models of Christmas. It's not, it's 12 kits. So when you watch the video, it's 12 kits. And I'll refresh your memory as we go along. And it's £150. Let's have a see what we get for our money. So this is it. This is the mystery box. It was 12 days of Christmas. Sorry, I keep saying it. It's not the 12 days of Christmas. It's the 12 models of Christmas bundle. It's on their website. £150. Free postage for me. And there was a fault on the system for the Airfix Club discount. I didn't get it, but they have now refunded me, so I actually paid £135 for this box of goodies. So we need to open up the box and see what we get inside. So I'm excited as much as you are what we get inside. Oh, look at that. There's paperwork there. And there we go. There it is. Oh, quite a lot. Plenty of bubble wrap with this one. So let's have a look. Oh, straight through. Straight down that way. Oh. I can see a Bristol Beaufort there. Oh. There we go. Oh, it's quite some nice kits here. Wow. There we go. Oh. Oh, this bubble wrap. Oh, wow, it's a bit of a mixture, this bundle. It's all planes. I can see. Oh, we've got a helicopter there. We've got a helicopter. Oh, we've got a couple of tanks as well. Oh, we've got one tank. Wow. Oh, crumbs. Right. Okay, let's start now, shall we? First off, we got a 148 P51D Mustang. A 172 scale Bristol Beaufort, a 172 Western Sea King, the 172 Mikoyan Gurevich MiG 17F Fresco. That's a good kit. That is a good kit. That's 4. Oh, a Messerschmitt ME262B, and I've only just bought the A because I wanted to build one. I've never built a Messerschmitt ME262 before, and I bought an A. Now I've got a B. And then we have the de Havilland Tiger Moth 148 scale. So that's 2 148 scales so far. That's 6. We have the Commonwealth Boomerang, the CA13. We have a Spitfire Mark 5C. A Sherman Firefly 5C, which is the new tooling. So which is good. We have the Focke-Wulf FW19A. And we have the Tiger. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm not missing a kit here, am I? Oh, there's one missing there. They've missing out the McDonnell Douglas Phantom FG1 RAF. That's missing from the box. That's a bit of a shame, isn't it? So yeah, that's the one I'm missing. I can't see it. Unfortunately, I don't have the McDonnell Douglas Phantom FG.
24 hours later.
So guys, this is brilliant. So I emailed Hornby, and within an hour they had said, we apologise, one was missing, we'll send it out to you. And the very next day this arrived on my doorstep. I cannot fault Hornby customer support. Well done. Thanks, Gilly. Honestly, it's brilliant. So now I have the extra kit here no extra charge. They've sent it out to me via DPD and it came. So within 24 hours, I got my replacement. Wow, there it is. That's a £33 kit, that one. It's 33 quid's worth there on its own. So, I guess we need to go through what I've got in the box and of what value I've gained. I think I'm close to 100 quid saving on these 12 kits. I paid 150 quid for this. I reckon the value is around 130, 140 pounds just off the top of my head. So let's have a little nose. But before we do, if you're liking what I'm producing on this channel, would you please subscribe? Just click subscribe, ring that bell and select all to be notified when I release a new video. Also, if you're enjoying this video, just give it a like and also put a comment below on which kit you would have loved to have got if you had got this mystery box from Airfix. So first off, the McDonnell Douglas Phantom FG1. This one here is the value of £33.99. The North American P51D is retailing or on their website at £28.99. This 148 scale Tiger Moth is £23.99. And that also goes for this Sea King, which is also £23.99. So the Messerschmitt, this one's the B, but they've got the A on the website, and that one is saying to me £17.99 for this one on the website. The Beaufort, which I think is a new tooling, I believe. What tooling is this one? Yeah, 2020, so it's only a couple of year old. So this one was £23.99 on the website. The Mikoyan Gurevich Mick 17, oh, so the 17F Fresco. That one is on the website for £17.99. And I believe this one's also it's a 2019 tool in this one. But this is a great kit because I built this one. It's a very, very nice kit. We were given two tanks. We were given the Tiger 1 and the Firefly, the Sherman Firefly Mark 5C. These aren't the starter sets. These have actually got the tracks in them as well. You know, not the fully made tracks. They comes as extras. But yeah, these two are £11.99 each. One of the highlights of last year, I believe, was this Supermarine Spitfire Mark 5C. They've thrown in one of these, and these retail at £11.99. This one here, the Vintage Classic, they've given to me, which I've got one up there already, but they've thrown this one in. This one's £10.99 on their website. And finally, nicely, the Fokker Wolf here. This one, this is the 8A, and this one retails at £8.99. So recapping, we've got 12 kits here, ranging from £8.99 all the way up to £33.99. So if you went by the website, the recommended retail price or the website price of Airfix, this would all come to £226.88. The bundle deal was £150, okay? So you would have had a saving of £76.88. But I am an Airfix Club member, so I get a 10% discount. So if you take that 15 quid off, so 10% off 150 is easy, is 15 quid. I'm back of the packet maths here, gentlemen and ladies. So I actually paid £135 for this. So that gave me a saving of £91.88. And that's a lot of plastic decals for your money there, isn't it? You know, so for me, this has been one of the better bundles for me personally. 12 models of Christmas, it's called. It's on the website now. I don't know how long it lasts. You may get different models than what I get, but these are what I've received when I purchased that bundle. I'll leave a link in description box below for their bundle so you can have a look at what they're offering. But I think for the value for money, this is brilliant. Wow, nearly £100. And remember, it was free postage as well, because it's over a certain amount you get free postage. So, wow, you know, that's as I said, that's a lot of plastic for your money. So there you go. That was a video, a mystery unboxing, an unboxing of a mystery box from Airfix, which is fabulous. I'm well overjoyed, and some of these I can say are replicas. I've already got the kits in my stash, or I've built them before. But who cares? You know, there's a, you know, I can do what I like with these. I may even give them away. Anyways, if you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And if you'd like to help the channel financially, you can now become a channel member. And I do post member-only content on this channel. It starts from £1.99 up to £8.99 depending on your membership tier. And also I put this picture up here, which is all the people who do help the channel, and I appreciate their help fully. If you've never seen me do one of these unboxings, here was my last one, and to the right here is a playlist of all the other unboxings I've done.